Hi, I'm the Emerald Hexe, and today we're going to be walking you through how to make my Respiratory Tea Blend. If you like today's video, then be sure to hit that follow button for more herbal and esoteric content. Also, check out the website remediumvitalis.com to purchase this herbal tea and browse our entire apothecary. Be sure to read through all our ever-growing and always free Herbarium Blog, where you can find a written post going over today's recipe. Okay, respiratory tea. What is it? It's really an herbal tisane since there's no actual tea in this blend, but I made the recipe a few years ago when one of my clients was in need during the Canadian wildfires. I formulated it to help aid in opening up your respiratory system and dry up any mucus while also giving you a boost of vitamin C and antioxidants. Going over the ingredients, first we have the bulk of the blend, mullein. The botanical name for mullein is Verbascum thapsus. It's an easy-to-grow herb found all across North America and has a wide range of medicinal properties and applications. I chose mullein for its respiratory support. It's a relaxing expectorant and bronchodilator while also drying up the mucus secretions. The second herb I chose for our respiratory tea is peppermint. Its botanical name is Mentha peperita. Peppermint leaves are a very well-known herbal medicinal product, widely used traditionally, being a popular remedy inside and out. I've picked the use of these leaves to help open up our respiratory system, and one other reason, to settle our stomachs from any post-nasal drips we may have experienced while not feeling the best. You will really enjoy this mildly sweet minty flavor this plant brings to your tisane. The last herb you will be using in this tea is probably the most potent addition to this blend, rose hips. Their botanical name is Rosa canina. While some copycats of mine have stated that this herb is for taste, they're actually wrong. Let the herbalist explain. I specifically chose rose hips because they're very rich in disease-fighting antioxidants, such as catechins, quercetin, and ellagic acid. A diet rich in these compounds can help lower inflammation and oxidative stress in your body over time. Furthermore, they are a great source of vitamin C, which plays a significant role in your immune health. They also contain anti-inflammatory properties, which can aid your struggling respiratory system when it is irritated. While these fruits do taste great, sweet but also tart, they are not in such a quantity in this tisane to make much of a flavor distinction. I chose them specifically for their medicinal qualities. And now let's put everything together. You will be measuring your herbs in a 3-to-1 ratio in descending order of discussion before. 3 parts mullein, 2 parts peppermint, and 1 part rose hips. For the sake of this video, you making this blend at home, I have reduced my measurements significantly. Let's make as follows. 3/4 cup mullein, half a cup of peppermint, and 1/4 cup rose hips crushed. You want the fluff from the rose hips. Measure all your herbs and combine them in one large bowl and mix really well. Since this is an at-home remedy, we are using our clean, dry hands to mix. No need to dirty any utensils if you don't have to. By mixing with your hands, you'll get a really good feel of each herb, and you can infuse this blend with some awesome healing energies. Just take a moment with your eyes closed and hands immersed in the bowl. Envision strong breaths and open airways coming from the center of your chest, going down your arms, and infusing this delightful herbal remedy to help you on your tough days. To drink, just fill a small tea bag or a tea infuser with a few teaspoons of this blend and make a decoction. You will pour boiling hot water over this delicate blend in a mug and immediately cover with the saucer for 10 to 15 minutes before enjoying. By covering your tea and long infusing it with boiling water, you are keeping the beneficial volatile oils in your drink and further breaking down cell walls to release even more of the herbal benefits so you can get to feeling better faster. Though it isn't necessary, you may sweeten your decoction with a little raw honey or sugar. If you must use sweetener, I suggest only half the normal serving, as it is very mild tea to begin with. But my favorite way to enjoy this tea is by using just a light dollop of my coffee creamer to give it a nice, sweet, creamy feel, as well as helping me feel better in the long run. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you for our next installment of my Winter Herbal Series, coming soon. Thank you for watching part 1 of my Winter Herbal Series, going over respiratory tea. If you liked today's video, then be sure to hit that follow button for more herbal and esoteric content. Also, remember to check out our website, remediumvitalis.com, to purchase this herbal tea and browse our entire apothecary. Stay rockin' good, friends. Have a good day.